Remember me? It's me, your favorite ex-chef host, Audino Wicaksono. If you I'm not a chef anymore. That's why I'm ex-chef, because now I do music, and you can check me out on my Spotify. You can like click the link below. Yeah, you can find me on Spotify. The name's Audino there. Check out my music. You'll love it. I hope so. And what kind of food that is? Is that? It's mac and cheese. And today I'm making a garlic butter mac and cheese. That's good. So here it is, guys. This is my garlic mac and cheese. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy eating this later when you make it. This could serve probably easily 5 to 6 people. So, and all under a budget of 180,000 rupiah. So that's about, per person's like 30,000. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you want to watch more, check us out on this YouTube channel, Padepokan Kitchen. Or even easier, just type in the URL masak.in. It's gonna be right here. I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah, the URL is gonna be right here. Just click that, or like search that up, and it's gonna go straight to this channel. So, thanks for watching. Hope you watch again.